Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about simple sheet metal component. So left side you can see the folded state of this component, right side it is flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. So this is for exclusively for beginners. So this is the flat pattern. So let's start now. So I've taken a new part file. Select the top plane. Go to sketch. So here I've taken a center point rectangle. This is 70. Select these two lines, make it equal. So go to sheet metal, select base flange. So here it is 0.45 and the thickness I have taken 2 mm and say OK. See here we have to go to edit feature and we have to make this as 2 mm, that is equivalent to thickness. That is very much important, and K factor should be always less than 0.5 and it depends on the material. So these factors are very much important. Now select the edge flange and other side. So we have to select these two edges for creating these two edge flanges. So simply say OK. So before that we have to verify the flange position. So here we have to select material inside, so it exactly matches the outer edge. So say OK. Now we have to go to edit sketch of the first flange. So here we have to draw an inclined line and just we need to trim it. See here. Now select this line and this point. So this is 15 mm. Here this edge and the other point, this is 15 mm. And this outer edge to this end point is 70. See, this sketch is fully constrained now, you can see here. Simply say OK. Now we have to show this sketch. See, this sketch is visible now. See here. So when I go to this second sketch and edit this sketch, I can clearly see this first flange sketch. So here we can delete these two lines and simply select convert entities and select these 3 lines. So this is the best practice while creating 2 similar flanges. See here. Now simply say OK. See, other flange has been created now. Now we can hide it. So whenever we edit this sketch, it automatically updates the second flange. So this is the advantage. Now I am going to create this rear flange. Select this edge flange, select this top edge and simply click on the graphical window. Here, see, when we keep it in right side view, see, this is going inside. So what happens? See here, it is not properly created. There is a tearing in the sheet metal. To avoid such problem, what we have to do is we have to select the flange position. Instead of material inside, we have to select material outside. Now I am going to show you in the right plane. See here. So earlier in the material inside, it is moving inside. Even material outside, it is showing, it is tearing out or tearing the base flange. So we have to select this third option, bend outside. So it exactly creates at this point. See here. Now we have to edit this sketch. Select these 2 lines and make it collinear. See here, it is collinear, this edge and this line. Say OK. So these 3 flanges have been created now. Now I am going to create this slot. To create these slots and these holes, we have to unfold this component. So we have to select this command, unfold, select this base flange, collect all bends. This is very much important. It collects all the bends. So we have to say OK. So when we see from the top view, see, it looks like this. Now I am going to create this slot. So I am going to select this cut extrude, selecting this top face, and I am going to select slot and place it over here. So slot, we have to align this origin and this origin vertically. So it is exactly at the center. Now we have to dimension this slot. So this is 16 and edge to this center point is 35 and center to center distance is 41. See here. So it is fully constrained now. We have to say OK. And before that, we have to verify that it should be linked to thickness and normal to cut. These 2 are very much important while creating cut extrude. See here. Now slot has been created. Now I am going to create side holes. So simply we need to select simple hole and place it over here, and side hole diameter is 16. Say OK.
So this is 16. Now select this edge and this point 32 and this is 20. Now select this center line and create vertically. Now I am going to mirror this hole. So select this sketch and mirror about, select this center line. So these two holes have been created now, and simply come out of the sketch. See, it is created now. Now I am going to create these center holes on the base flange. So select this face and simply select this hole. So this hole is having 30 diameter, see, and say OK. Now select this point and this origin and say OK. Now I am going to create these 4 holes on the base flange. So simply select simple hole, and this is 5 mm. Now we have to create 4 holes. So simply we can take one simple rectangle and select 4 lines, make them construction, so move it here. See, this distance is around 44, so we can make these 2 lines equal. See, this is constraint now, so we can create 4 holes. So select all the 4 circles and make it equal. Now come out of this sketch. See, now we have to use fold command, collect all bends and say OK. See, the component is ready now. So this is how we have to create these kind of components, and this is the flat pattern. So these kind of components will come across while working on product design. So this is a brief about simple component in sheet metal module. Thanks for watching.